What's the meaning of cassava? Cassava. Cassava.
Cassava. Cassava. Cassava is a tropical root vegetable that is commonly grown in Africa, Asia, and Latin America. It is also known as yucca or manioc. The plant produces starchy tubers that are rich in carbohydrates, making it an important source of food and income for millions of people around the world. Cassava is highly adaptable, able to grow in poor soils with low rainfall, making it a valuable crop in areas where other crops struggle. However, it must be properly processed before consumption, as it contains toxins that can cause illness if not removed.